Welcome everybody. Today, I will be reviewing the Lenovo V Series V15 business laptop. Amazon links with the cheapest price in the description, don't miss out. At the heart of this laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, a high-performing chip with 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of handling demanding applications and multitasking with ease. With a base speed of 2.0 GHz and a turbo frequency of up to 4.5 GHz, this processor ensures fast and efficient performance whether you're running business applications, browsing the web, or tackling creative tasks. Paired with AMD Radeon graphics, the laptop delivers excellent visuals, making it suitable for light gaming, content creation, and multimedia consumption. Whether you're editing presentations or streaming HD videos, the visuals are smooth and vibrant. The Lenovo V Series V15 business laptop is a thoughtfully designed machine that combines performance, versatility, and convenience for business professionals, students, and casual user. The Lenovo V15 is packed with ports to meet all your connectivity needs: USB 3.2 Type-C and Type-A for fast data transfer, HDMI for external display connections, supporting presentations or dual monitor setups, RJ45 Ethernet port for stable, high-speed internet connectivity, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless convenience. The sleek, black chassis offers a professional aesthetic that fits perfectly in office environments. Despite its robust hardware, the Lenovo V15 maintains a lightweight design, making it easy to carry for professionals on the go. The Lenovo V Series V15 business laptop is a feature-packed, high-performance device that caters to modern-day productivity needs. With its AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 16GB RAM, and 512GB SSD, it's a reliable machine for those who need speed, storage, and seamless multitasking. Add in the FHD display, robust connectivity options, and you have a well-rounded laptop for work and leisure. Amazon links with the cheapest price in the description, don't miss out.